Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of air purification with the Jafanda JF180 Air Purifier, a Muse Design Award Silver winner for 2023 that combines vintage charm with cutting-edge technology. This air purifier not only boasts a stunning vintage radio design with faux wood legs and a snowflake fabric surface, but it also offers ultra-effective filtration, capturing 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.015 micrometers, including smoke, pollen, and pet odors. With its soothing aromatherapy feature, you can enhance your sleep environment by adding a few drops of your favorite essential oil, while the calming mood lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere. The bladeless design ensures safety for children and pets, and its compact size makes it a stylish addition to any room. Certified by ECIRF, Energy Star, and more, the JF180 meets California's stringent safety standards, ensuring quality and reliability. Remember, for optimal performance, use only official Jafanda filters and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with professional customer support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.